Boom! Welcome back, peeps, to Hobbies and Gadgets. Just a quick little video. I just want to try out my new mic for my camera, see if I get that little clicking sound. I'm going to talk about my shower tray, my cabin area. I've bought some, I don't know if you want to be interested in these, like some LED lights. But before we start this video, just a quick little rant about van insurance. Okay, so obviously my van's nearly done now. I'm happy to go out like this as it is at the moment. I know I haven't got fully running water and stuff like that, but I don't mind using, you know, one of those 25 litre drums for now. I've got tanks underneath the van as well, so I can go outside and use water if I need to. But yeah, so I thought to myself today, let's tidy up the van. Just do a few things so I can use the van and then get the insurance done. So we called up an insurance, one of those comparison campervan insurance. Went through the whole procedure, got a quote for about £307, fully comp with 2 people on it. And then they was asking for a gas certificate, but it had a different name for it. I'm not sure what it was, different kind of name. So I phoned them up and said, look, I converted my van myself because it had an option. Did you convert your van privately, yes or no? It didn't say for yourself or whatever. So I put no. So I called them up, said basically I converted my van, passed out on DVLA, put a camp motorhome, blah blah blah. They said it's nothing to do with DVLA, but you need the gas certificate, so then it covers them on their insurance. So basically I couldn't get insured with them, so I have to go back with my previous insurance. So shit happens. But yeah, if anyone had that issue before, or they know how to get this gas certificate, because basically my system, I don't use no copper pipe, and if you look on DVLA's website, basically a meter of this gas cable you're only allowed to use to your gas cooker. So that's how I've got mine set. So I've got mine on a quick release, so I can just plug it off, plug it on my gas cooker, and that's that. I don't have no copper pipes, you know, going around the van or anything like that. I have no, well, the regulator I have on the actual gas bottle itself, but yeah, I just have 1 meter and a quick release, as you can see there, on my gas lines. So I think that will pass out, because I think that's more safer than having, you know, gas pipes and links, and you know what I mean. So yeah, 1 meter. So if anyone had that issue before, let me know in the comments below. So now the rant's over, let's show you what I've been up to. So sorry about the dust on the screen. The reason is I've been doing some routering. Router. So yes, I picked up one of these Roby's router yesterday, and if you go and buy this from Homebase on their website, reserve one, you can get this for £62. I think they retail on eBay around £80 to £90. Yeah. So the cheapest I've seen it so far is in Homebase for £62. So go and grab one, because I'm really impressed with this. I'm telling you now, you know, it's my first time using a hand palm router. I've used one of these big ones before. It wasn't mine, obviously, I just used one. It has more power, but this, unbelievable. It only lasts us for about, I'll say 20 minutes on a battery like that. I'm not sure what batteries these are. I know they're 18 volts, P108. Got Roby tools, you can just swap out your other batteries and just So yeah, let me show you my routing skills. My first ones are bad. Good, to be honest, you know what I mean? That's why you do these videos. So my first ones were bad. I'm going to show you right now, and then I just got better and better and better. So let me flip you around, show you the toilet, show you the cabin area. Okay dokie, so here's my routing skills. Look how bad that one is. Doesn't matter about this piece of wood, peeps. I'm going to change that one, you know, because I want the looks to look nice. These are my next ones. Needs a bit sanding down. Not bad, you know, they're not bad, these ones. Let me show you my good ones. Look at that. That router is really, really very good. Check that out. So I get a bed slat, well, not a bed slat, a bit of wood what I got from Homebase. Look at that. I haven't done that side yet, but you get the gist though, guys. So that'd be a slack, that'd be a slack, that'd be a slack, and I've got to do another 6 along there, or 3 on each side. But yeah, that's the cabin area getting on. I've got to insulate this wall. I bought some lights from eBay. These little LED lights up here, like mood lights. Should show you them at night really, because it does look pretty cool. And it can change colour, work with your stereo with the beat. Comes with remote control, wherever I put that remote control. And here's the shower area, peeps. Right, I didn't wait for the flex, you know, I want to get this van done, peeps. That flex seal, they gave me like a tracking number, a Chinese tracking number, and it said basically it was still in China, and now they're saying it's lost. So this stuff here, this black stuff, I know it's black, I'm going to paint over it when I get my flex seal, is waterproof. And what I did, I should have done a video on it, to be honest. It was just a little experiment. I cut off about an inch of this, painted it with that stuff, and left this for 2 days in soaking water. And then on the second day I cut it open with a circular saw, and not one bit of wood inside was wet or, you know, absorbing water or anything. So this stuff here is 100% waterproof. They use it on roofs, as I said. It's rubber, and yeah, the only thing is it's black. I rolled this on, and it's really robust, if you know what I mean. It's really like gritty, so yeah, it's pretty cool. I haven't screwed down the floor at the moment. I drilled the actual waste in, sealed it all up, put a lot of silicone in there to make sure, because once this is screwed down, it's screwed down. Do you know what I mean? I've done the other side, but at the moment what I'm trying to work out is all the beading, because basically what I'm doing, I'm sealing it, and I'm going to double seal it. And as you can see here, these 2 panels are short. You know, these like basically my offcut. This one, this one, this one. I didn't want to buy any more because you have to buy this in pack of 4. So I've got like a 6-inch, no, is it 5-inch? 5-inch trimming going along here, so you're not going to see that. But I'm thinking about putting a cupboard, just a small cupboard up here. Once it's so basically I'm going to trim it first, make sure it's all tight, because I need some more batting up here. I ran out of batting as well behind the board. And then, as you can see, it's on a little bit of a slant because I've got the 4x2 flipped vertical. But it's cool, because when I get that cupboard in there, you don't see none of that. Run it all the way along here, up here, and then all the trimming is nearly done. So tell me what you think in the comments below, because I think that's pretty cool. You know, made your own shower tray. That's pretty cool. And a cabin area. And a cabin area. Very nice. The lights are on this little solar power bank at the moment. I haven't hardwired that. Battery's doing good, 13.8. Turn off them fans lights. Yeah, and that's about it, peeps. Still haven't carpeted these parts yet, or these parts. The reason I haven't carpeted this board here, I'm not sure if I'm going to have anything else hanged up here. Obviously I've got the water boiler. I'm not sure if I'm going to put, you know, anything here to hold up your toothbrushes and stuff like that. So that hasn't been carpeted yet, but it will be soon. Think. Waiting for a few more parts from my kitchen unit. I'm waiting for an offcut at the top to put that cooker in and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm happy to go like this, to be honest, peeps. So yeah, I'll be doing some camping in a couple of days. Get that chair bolted down on the other side, obviously, not sideways, facing to the driver. Got another battery going down here on charge. I might install that into the van as well. And that's about it, peeps. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Hobbies and Gadgets now signing out. Peace out.